Good day everyone. Alright, so I was here 3 days ago. It's just a quick update on the flooding down at Sturt Reserve here in Murray Bridge, South Australia. Look at that. That's the road that goes down past the shacks. Yeah. Jesus. Alright, let's have another look, shall we? It's definitely up a lot. Yep. I think I'll get up a little bit higher. With all this wind and the shitty weather we've been having, I'm assuming it's speeding up the current of the river. So if it does continue, we'll probably see peak flooding, I reckon, before the expected date. If that makes sense. Jesus. So yeah, if you go on my YouTube channel, you'll see that I've done another one down here, filmed on the 11th of this month, and you'll see the difference. It's pretty bloody big. Oh look, the sign's even got water holding it up. Hey mate. Cool, I might go have a sit on that bench later. I'm joking. There you go. Oh, they've had to move the bloody signs up. Huh, jetty, gone. Jesus. So yeah, if you look up there, it's nearly up to the road. So that sucks. Other jetty, gone. Jesus. cool. There you go. Howdy. Yeah, not bad stuff. Cool. Yeah, so I didn't want to get you in the bed because the YouTube crap, keeping people updated.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I was down here 3 days ago.
Yeah.
It was nowhere near this bad.
No, it wasn't. It's getting up there.
Yeah.
It's like Manham, they've got it all closed off.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's been full on over there.
Jesus. Might be worth a drive, maybe.
Yeah, definitely.
No, yeah, I got told the pump station at Marpo's under.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, one of my mates sussed it out and he's like, yeah, no, it's under, man. I'm like, oh, shit.
And there's more coming.
Oh, yeah. Yep. Yeah, the wind speed, like, with the wind and that, I reckon it's speeding up the current.
Yeah.
It's got to be. Because, like, you know, this has come up heaps in the last 3 days.
Yeah.
So it's like, oh, shit.
Yeah, you wouldn't want to be in there.
Nah.
You slip your way a bit.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you still get people swimming in there, and it's like Blackwater. It's like, mate, you're going to get sick, man. Get the hell out.
Yeah.
Like, what are you
All
doing?
the septic tanks that have come down all the way,
Yeah.
they're all flooded in there.
It's like, you know, there was a gas bottle that someone pulled out and it had the line and the barbecue still attached, right? And then a bathtub, and then, you know, there was a gum tree floating down. And a freaking rainwater tank. It's like, what the? I'm waiting to see a freaking car or a bus or something. No, well, people only saw the gas bottle. So then someone grabbed it, and then it still had the line attached, and the freaking Barbie was on the other end of it. I'm like, what? Bloody nuts.
Yeah.
Alright, take care.
Yeah, you too.
See ya. Alright, stay there, stay. Awesome. Casually chilling. Ah, well done. So are you. Hey, cool. Any fish? Yeah, I usually sit there in between those trees there, right? That's where I go fishing. Yeah, that ain't happening now. Damn it. Oh, nice root. Crap, nearly bloody stepped in it. So I got my steel caps on. Hey, how you going? Yeah, I wonder what it's like up near the bloody community club. Oh shit, that's random. buddy. Man, they're seriously gonna have to shut this place down soon. Block it off, I think. So pretty soon I'll be able to kayak on the road out there. There, man. Woo! Alright. Little, yeah. Yeah, they have recently sandbagged the community club. Just in case, when it does actually peak. Oh crap, they've closed that part off. Well, this will probably do for the video because I've got the other section blocked, which is probably a really good idea. So, yeah, this is a 3-day update on Sturt Reserve. So if you go, like I said earlier, if you go back on the YouTube channel and you look at the Sturt Reserve 11/12/2022, well, 3 days ago, you'll see the difference on how much water's coming up. There you go.
You can actually see it coming up
Yeah.
in places. You see it creeping up.
Yep, look at the water, man. It's bloody disgusting. Yeah, have you seen a Vacadillo over east side?
No, I haven't.
The whole thing's flooded. There's water starting to come out, you know, where you drive into the reserve. Water's starting to come out there. It's completely under.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I was talking to a couple of people just now. They're supposed to be staying at the caravan park.
Yeah. Yeah, now bugger that.
Yeah. Gotcha.
Take it easy. Yeah, you too. There's a beehive right there. I got my bloody finger in the freaking way again. There we go. Yeah. But yeah, anyway, that's the end of this video. So if you like it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell, and yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace and tight lines.